Hi everyone, I'm GoldQueen Queency, and today's tutorial is all about beginner-friendly eyebrow tutorial. So guys, if you want to see this tutorial, keep watching. Don't forget to follow me on my social media pages. And having said that, let's get started. The first thing I'm going to use is bar soap and spoolie. Okay guys, we are also going to need setting spray or water, and also you're going to need concealer and then brow gel or brow pencil, any one of those. So babes, what I did was I brought out the soap, spray some setting spray to it, or as well you can make use of water to wet it. And with my spoolie, I went ahead to brush it in order to kind of make a foam. And then I went ahead to use it to brush my eyebrow in order to lay it and set it. This literally acts like a brow gel, okay? And after doing this, okay, to my both brows, what I'm going to do, I'm going to make use of the brow gel and start to draw my brows. As you guys can see, I didn't start from the edge here, from the front. I left a little bit of 1 or 2 steps, tiny steps there, and then I started to draw my brow, okay, following my natural brow line or the way I carved my brow. And then after drawing the below part, and I'm as well going to do the same thing at the above part, okay? I didn't start from the front as well. I wanted to have like an ombre, okay, eyebrow finish. So babes, after doing that, you know what, I went ahead to fill it in, and then coming to the brow part, I cleaned out the excess product I have, and then I tried to give like a little bit of a tiny stroke, hair strokes, okay? And this way my brow will look natural, the front part will get to look natural. So babes, after doing that, with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 30, I went ahead to clean out my brow, okay? And before cleaning my brow, I wiped out the excess soap on the spoolie, and then went ahead to brush my brow, okay, to brush it in place. And so guys, because I don't have a concealer that is similar to my skin tone, what I did was I made use of my foundation in order to clean out the upper part of my brow. So guys, and as you guys can see, I have like a dark mark here, okay? This is from an Akin breakout I had. So guys, I applied some concealer there in order to cover it up, and with my hand I blended it out. After blending it out, I went ahead to try to add more hair stroke in order to make it look more natural, guys. And so guys, that is it on a beginner friendly eyebrows tutorial. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Please make sure you support me by following me on my social media pages. Love you guys. Bye bye.